good evening all of good evening. So my name is Ashok Pawar, and today we are going to discuss in the Python programming language what is meant by the data types. And you already know that what is meant by the data, what is meant by the variable, what is meant by the Pythons. Okay, and we are going to start what is meant by the data in a Python programming language. So today is a very most important lectures regarding the Python data types and variables. Okay, previous lecture we already covered the what is meant by the variable, what is meant by the single line statement, what is meant by the multi-line statements. Okay, what is meant by the indentations, errors, and we also covered the previous lecture. Okay, so I hope you people are doing very well. Okay, you people doing very well study. So let's get start without delay. Okay, so my friends, we are getting to starts. Okay, so see here what is meant by the data types. And previous lecture we also covered multiple assignments. Okay, so do you know what is how to implements of the multiple assignments in a programming language? And we also saw the programs and example. Okay, the previous lecture. Okay, now we will see the what is meant by the numeric. So we are going to see what is meant by the numeric data type. So see here, so val is a let's see here, I all content we highlighted. So highlighted here, see here, val1 is equal to 10. So val1 is a data type, it's a variable name, and this variable assigned the value is a 10, and this is the integer data type. So when you print the val1, then we print the 10 value. Okay, do you know that? Then second example, print the val 11, but in this example we take a new function. This name is a type function. So why using the type functions in a Python? So when you are go to the any interview rooms, so interviewer asks you a question, why using the type function in a Python programming language? So they may be asked to you. Okay, so that time you should know that what is meant by the type function. So let's discuss about this type functions. Okay, so if you want to find out the data types value is a 10. Okay, you know that you also initialize the type, you also initialize the val is a data variable name, and this variable contain the value 10. So I want to find out the which data type stored in this variable. So that time you can use the type function. Means when you want to find out the which types of data contain this variable, that time you can use the type function. Okay, so let's see here, I want to find out this is the 10 is a 10 is a value, and this value contain the which types of data. You know that I also write it here, this is the integer data type, because we want to find out the answer of the system. Okay, so that time you can use the print functions, and type is a predefined function in Python, and which types you want to, which variables types you want to find out the answer, that time initialize the variables name. So I want to find out the val1's data types, which are, so this is the types of objects. Then similarly when I print this statement, so see here, class int means 10 is an integers class, this 10's value representing in a integer class. So this is a very simple example, you know that. Okay, then second time we already write here these comments. So read here, so read here these comments. So comments is size of integer objects in a bytes, means any types of integers value, any types of integers data type, how many bytes we contain, you want to represent on a with the help of Python program, with the help of coding. That time you can use the sys get size of function, means size of function representing the how many storing capacity of this class, of this data. Okay, so see here, so I want to find out val1 is an integer data type, I know that, but I want to find out this is an integer data type, but this data type, how many bytes you can store? How many bytes can store? So that time you can using the get the size function. So see here, when I print the sys in system, then get size of and val one function, that time represent the 28 size, means 28 bytes. You know that also. So you know that how many bytes of if I want to represent only one byte, so how many bits are there? Previous lecture I also informed that. Okay, so 28 bits, 28 bits data we can to store the integer class. Okay, then third is a print. Val is integer, is an instance, and val is integer. So in this case we want to find out ki val is a integer data. If val is a integer data, then output will be true. Okay, because val1 is a variable name, so val1 variable contain the 10 value. So I want to check this is a integer class or not. So when the val1 store the 10 value, okay, van will store the any numeric value, with otherwise 10 value, 10 is also numeric value. So that time represent the output of the console string is true. Okay, so I hope you people understand. Okay, so we will see the practical of this numeric class. So let's come here our Anaconda fonts. So open the Anaconda fonts and write down here command Jupyter notebook. तो यहाँ so something went wrong, so I will create the perfect Jupyter notebook. Jupyter Jupyter notebook, and wait some moments. The see Jupyter notebook is open. Okay, see loadings are there. So open the Jupyter notebook. See here. So you know that how to create the cell in a Jupyter notebooks. Okay. So we create the new file. So let's see here. Click the button new and open the Python 3. So I click here and see here, open the new Python Jupyter notebook, and this notebook is untitled, and this notebook is 15 numbers. Okay, so we want to print the any data types and data value. So similarly I take a one variable, this variable name is p1 is equal to 10. Okay, so now I want to print the value of p1. So similarly right here and run program. So p1 value is 10. Then we want to print the p1 is a variable name, and this variables which types of data contain. So that time you can using the type function. So let's type here print. Okay, then use the type function, type function, and which variables you want to find out the type. So p1 is a variable name. I want to find out p1's variable which types of data store. Okay, then press Ctrl S and run once again. See, represent your output is a class int. Then I want to find out how many storing capacity of this integer class. So write down here print and write down sys dot get size we need. So get size of, so get size of Write down in this block your variable name. You want to find out the p1's variable, how many size storing capacity. Press Ctrl S and execute once again. So see here, sometimes happens the go happens wrong. Size of press Ctrl S and again we can check. Again error comes. Okay, so similarly I will put on the all statements. Right here your variable name. What is your variable name? So our variable name is p1. Press Ctrl S again. Run for save changes. This values. What will happen? Okay, we can see the after sometimes this example. First of all, we should understand how to find out the any data types. Okay, then if I want to find out the any decimal data type. Okay, so for example, p2 is equal to assign the value 98.93. So I want to print this value and I want to find out the p1 data type, which types of data contain. So that time you can use the printf. So print the variable name is your p1 and you can use the print and you want to print the types typ using the type function. I want to find out p1 variable name, which types of data contains. Okay, press Ctrl S and run see. So p1's value is a 9.89 and this p1's contain the fruits value. Okay, then we want to print the any. So let's discuss about all data. Add. So we want to print add of echo print as to print करना है. Then I want to find out which types of data contain as function. So we can use the type function. Type here and write down here as. Print once again, Ctrl S, run once again. See. See integers, complex data type. Then we can studying that what is meant by the complex data type. Complex data means 25 is a value plus 10 and there are any alphabets present, that is called as a complex data type. Okay, तो उसके बाद हम देखेंगे बुलियन तो आपको पता है बुलियन डेटा टाइप कैन हैव, यू नो दैट व्हाट इज मीन बाय द बुलियन. So boolean data type can we have only two possible value. So boolean data only store the two types of value. First one is a true and second one is a false. So अभी आपको true over so if you want to print the true value, if you want to print the any false value, that time you can use the boolean data type. Okay, you know that. Then we can start the we started the string corrections. What is the strings? Okay, see here. So str is a variable name and str assign the some characters. There are different types of characters like h, d, l, p, y, t, h, m, and we want to print the str value, str's variable name, then print the output hello python. So similarly, we can see this example. So write down here st is equal to welcome to welcome Python, welcome Python, print yes. See, welcome Python. So this is a basically if you want to print the any types of string, then you can use it. So I want to find out which types of data. Write down the type. So I want to find out ST's variable, which types of value are contains. Okay, let's control yes. So class is a str. Str means string value. So string means what? The different types of character, that is called as a string. So string is a basically for example your name, the sentence, any types of long sentence, that is called as a string. Okay, you know that. Then define the string using the single quotation. Means if you want to print the any types of string in a single quotation, means you can use as a single quotations. Okay, you can define as a single quotation string value. Let's see how you can define. Okay, so see here, I take the one variable sty is equal to, I am taking the single quotations for initializing the string value. So Ashok Ashok P so pawar. Okay, then I will print the sty is a variable name. Press Ctrl S and run once again. So see, so there are two different types. There are three different types are there in a string definition. If we want to initialize, if we want to define the single quotations as a string value, if we want to define as a double quotation string value, both are you can use. Okay, then we want to find out which types of contain the data print. So that time you can use the printf function, pyp type function. So type function what will do, so if I want to find out sty is a data variable name, so this variable which types of data contain, that time you can use the type function. See, let's see here, class is a str, means str is the string. Okay, so we also saw that define string is using single quotation, define string using the double quotation, and we will saw define string using the triple quotation. Okay, means string define in a one single quotation, double quotation and triple quotation. So let's see, we take one variable, this variable name is a ty is equal to, using the triple quotation, triple quotations. Okay, see here, so right here, welcome to Python. Okay, press Ctrl S, run once. See, so sorry, output will not print. Why? Because you cannot print, you not printed the strings value, so therefore you print the ty variable. Press Ctrl S once again and runs. See this, so both are, we also saw that this is a double quotation definition the value, define the value. This is a single quotation definition, define a value. This is a triple quotation, define the string. So you can three ways initialize the string value. Okay, I hope you understand. See this example, my str is a variable name and happy Monday everyone. These are string, but these strings are which types of define this string. So basically this string defines in a single quotation. Okay, you know that. I will run this code. see here. Press Ctrl S and run. Sorry, see. Happy Monday everyone. You know that, okay? So अभी हम देखेंगे किस तरह से हमने ये किया था. तो अभी मुझे लगता है कि हम बस करेंगे कि कल tomorrow we will see the how to define the indexing format in a string, how to access a specific index on a string. So we can see the tomorrow's lecture, okay? So today's lecture is enough for us everyone, okay? Thank you for thanks for watching this video. Thanks for supporting. Maybe you people understand very well, you cannot understand, you can call to me, you can suggest to me, you can give me the any more example, more appointment for your careers, okay? Thank you all.